discussion natin regarding adjusting journal entries. So, yung first audio lecture natin in this chapter ay about sa introduction to adjusting entries or introduction to the preparation of adjusting journal entries hanggang do sa prepayments. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa deferrals. Kung ang prepayments ay mga paunang bayad, ano naman ang deferrals? Sa deferrals, income already received but not yet earned. Sa prepayments, naglabas ka ng pera pero hindi mo pa siya expense, diba? That's why pinapasok muna natin siya as part ng asset or as an asset, diba? Yung asset method na tinatawag natin. Pero pagdating kay deferrals, wala tayong ano tawag dito? Naka-receive naman tayo ng pera pero hindi pa tayo nakakapag-render or nakakapag-provide ng service sa clients natin. Okay? So, ano yun? Income na ba natin yun or hindi pa? Huwag kakalimutan si accrual basis. 'Di ba? Sabi kay accrual basis, hindi ibig sabihin na naka-receive ka ng cash ay income mo na yun. So, i-debit muna natin siya as cash, pero ipasok muna natin siya as a liability or in the form of unearned income or unearned revenue. Okay? So, kasi hindi pa natin siya, wala pa tayong right to record income in such case. Kasi, nakatanggap lang tayo ng pera, pero we are still obliged to render or to provide services to our clients or kung sino man na nagbigay or nagbayad sa atin ng cash. Okay? So, deferrals are income already received but not yet earned. That's why we don't need to record it as an income first. Or, anong tawag dito? Wala pa tayong right to record income. We are not allowed to record it as an income. So, ma'am, saan muna ang pasok? Kung yung prepayment sa asset method yung ginagamit natin kay deferrals, we're going to use liability method wherein we record it first to a liability account. Then, after makapag-provide ng service, that's the time that we're going to transfer from our liability papunta naman kay income. Okay, so, for a clearer understanding regarding deferrals, proceed tayo sa illustration. But here are the format or proforma journal entries. So again, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung original entry or yung journal entry na makikita nyo sa journal nyo upon preparation of journal entries or upon recording business transaction. So, ang journal entry upon receipt of cash, syempre debit cash and credit mo muna kay unearned income. Remember that unearned income is a liability account. Even though it has an income word on itself, hindi ibig sabihin na income na yan, diba? Same with prepaid expenses. Hindi ibig sabihin na may expense siya doon sa prepaid expense ay expense siya. Asset, diba yun? So, dito naman si unearned income, liability to. Kaya siya tinawag na unearned kasi hindi pa nakakapag-provide or hindi pa siya na-earn na income. That's why pasok mo muna natin as a liability. So, debit cash, then credit unearned income. Kapag humingi na ng adjusting entry si problem, again, hindi mo gagalawin si cash kasi si cash po ay si boss. Okay, boss yan, bossing yan, huwag mong gagalawin. Ang nag-a-adjust para dyan ay yung kapartner. So, si unearned income from credit, kapag tayo ay nakapag-render na or nakapag-provide na ng service. So, meron na tayong right to record income. Alisin mo siya sa liability, that's why i-debit mo siya. Then, i-establish mo ngayon or i-record na natin ngayon yung income natin. So, that's the time na magkikredit tayo ng income or magre-recognize na tayo ng income. Kasi it means that pwedeng lumipas na yung panahon, nakapag-provide na tayo, nakapag-render na tayo ng service dun sa nagbayad sa atin. Okay? So, yan. On August 1, Paddy received 90,000 pesos for dental fees to be rendered in the next 6 months. So, give the adjusting journal entry at the end of September or September 31. So, closing transaction date is August 1. Yung pera na natanggap mo ay nagkakahalagang 90,000 pesos. But take note that yung service yan ay to be rendered pa for the next 6 months. Okay? So, So, yung 90,000, good for 6 months yan. Humingi ng adjusting entry si problem ng pang September. So, bilang kayo, from August 1 to September, that is 2 months. Tama? So, 6 months. So, 2/6 ang fraction na gagamitin natin dyan. So, yung journal entry natin, sa journal sheets natin, or on August 1, or yung mismong date ng transaction, magde-debit tayo ng cash and credit muna natin kay unearned dental fees. Pagdating ng September, syempre, yung 90,000, mababawasan na yung utang natin. Kasi syempre, nakapag-render na tayo for the month of August and September. That's why, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, 2/6 ang gagamitin natin na fraction para pagko-compute nung expired portion from August 1 to September 31. So, ang mangyayari, 2/6 nung 90,000. So, that is 30,000 pesos. So, no September 30, ibig sabihin nakapag-render na tayo ng service natin. So, that's why, out of the 90,000 na liability natin in the form of unearned dental fees, itatransfer na natin, debit mo siya, itatransfer natin papunta sa income natin na account title, which is yung dental fees or dental revenues. So, dito sa problem, dental fee yung gamit niya na account title pag re-record ng income. So, again, debit unearned dental fees, credit dental fees, 30,000 pesos. Class, pag gumawa tayo ng T-account, T-unearned dental fees, magkano yung recorded amount natin ng transaction date? Diba 90K? Ngayong September 30, nag-debit tayo ng 30K. Meaning to say, meron pa tayong ipoprovide sa kanya na services worth 60,000 pesos for the next or for the remaining 4 months. Kasi di ba 6 months yung term, nakapag-provide na tayo or nakalipas na yung 2 months. So, meaning to say, 4 months na lang yung natitira. And 60,000 pa na utang dun sa pasyente. Okay? Okay. Idugsong na rin natin si accruals or si accrued expense. Kasi tapos na tayo kay deferrals eh. And nakaka 7 minutes pa lang. Kung nabibilisan kayo sa discussion ko, i-pause nyo muna yung video, then balikan nyo. Balik-balikan nyo. Then make sure ha na kayo ay susulat. Nagti-take down notes, nagja-jot down. Okay. So, let's now proceed with accrued expenses. Ma'am, ano naman ang accrued expenses? So, these are expenses already incurred but not yet paid. Si deferrals, or si deferrals nga ba? Diba sa deferrals, nakatanggap tayo ng bayad, pero hindi pa tayo nakakapag-render ng service. Ganon din sa prepayments. Nagbayad na tayo, pero hindi pa natin nagagamit yung asset. That's why asset method gamit natin kay prepayments, kay deferrals, liability method. But take note, sa accruals natin, class, sa mga accruals natin, wala kang makikita na cash na account title. Kasi wala naman pumasok na cash or lumabas na cash kay accruals. 'Di ba? So, wala kang makikitang ganyang entry sa pagpe-prepare ng journal entry and sa mga adjustments natin. So, ano mangyayari? Kasi ang accruals, ang accrued expense, nagamit na natin yung service or yung asset natin, nagamit na natin, pero hindi pa tayo nakakapagbayad. So, that's why may utang tayo. Parang sa deferrals. Pero in this case, wala nga cash na involved. So, ang adjusting entry natin, wala tong original journal entry ha. So, wala tayong ni-record nung una. So, ito ay diretsong adjusting entries, ang preparation nito. So, ibig sabihin, we need to recognize expense. Sabi kasi ng accrual, hindi porke hindi ka naglalabas or nagbabayad ng pera, wala ka pang expense. Tingnan mo muna, baka nagamit mo na yung asset. Baka nagamit mo na yung service nung seller mo or nung mismong katransaction mo. So, therefore, dapat meron ka nang i-recognize na expense. 'Di ba? Best example nito, yung mga utility bills natin coming from Meralco, Prime Water. 'Di ba? Pagdating ng bill, ibig sabihin, nagamit na natin yung service nila. That's why may utang na tayo. May expense tayo sa kanila. Ngayon, kapag naka-receive tayo ng bill and binayaran din naman natin agad, so meron tayong utilities expense and nag-credit tayo ng cash, 'di ba? Pero minsan, hindi pa natin agad binabayaran. Next week pa natin binabayaran. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na next week or next month pa natin babayaran ay wala tayong i-record or i-recognize na expense. Mali yun kasi nagamit na natin, therefore, kailangan na natin mag-record ng expense. So, ang adjusting journal entry, para ma-update yung expense account natin, mag-recognize ka, mag-establish ka ng panibagong expense account. So, debit expenses and credit expenses payable in case na hindi ka pa nagbabayad talaga. So, normally, ito yung mga salaries expense, kailangan i-accrue, mga utilities expense. So, punta tayo kay illustration with amounts. Okay, so the company received a Maynilad bill in the amount of 9,800 on December 26, 2016. Kailan siya naka-receive? 2016. Ito yung babayaran niya. Pero, the company intends to pay on January 8, 2017 or next year. Madadaanan yan si year-end, which is si December 31, tama? So, as of December 31, tanong, may kailangan ka na ba or may dapat ka na bang i-recognize na expense? The answer is yes. Kasi nagamit mo na eh. Ngayon, kahit next year mo pa babayaran, kailangan mo na i-recognize as expense yan doon sa period na nagamit mo yan. Kaya nga tayo nagpe-prepare ng adjusting entry. Okay? So, ang mangyayari sa December 31, magde-debit ka ng utilities expense, credit utilities payable muna. Bakit hindi cash? Next year mo pa nga babayaran. Nagre-record tayo ay pang December. Okay. Tsaka yun yung ni-require ng problem mo. Next. Absorb muna. The next. Ano naman ang accrued expense? So, tandaan nyo ha. Diba, ano yung una nating na-discuss? Na-discuss natin si prepayments and si deferrals. Kay prepayments, nauna ang paglabas ng pera mo. Diba? Lumabas sa business mo. Kay deferrals, nauna naman ang pagpasok sa'yo. Or, tawag dito? Tumanggap ka muna ng cash. Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay accruals. Tapos na tayo kay, ito naman ay no cash involved. Kay accruals, pumasok, accrued expense, nauna yung gamit natin or yung paggamit natin sa asset before tayo mag-cash out. Ngayon, kay accrued income naman, nauna naman yung pagre-render natin ng service pero hindi pa tayo binabayaran. Kaya kung marirecall nyo, si accrued income, pasok yan sa receivables, 'di ba? Hirap ang magsulat. Ay! Basta alam niyo na yan, sa receivables ang pasok niyan. Usi si ma'am. Yung tinapos pa. So, ang accrued income naman, nakapag-render ka na ng service pero hindi ka pa binabayaran, that's why receivable mo yan. Take note, class, may right to record income ka na ba? Kapag sinabing accrued income, the answer is yes, ma'am, meron na. Kasi nakapag-render na ako ng service. Diba sabi ni accrual, yun ang mahalaga. Kailangan mo na mag-record ng income kapag nakapag-provide ka na po ng service. Kasi may right to record ka na, may right to receive ka na payment from your clients or from your customers. Okay? So, punta tayo ngayon sa problem. A 1-year 6% note receivable in the amount of 200,000 was received on January 1, 2016. The interest and the principal are payable on maturity date. So, meaning to say, pag ganyan, syempre nagpautang tayo. Yung principal amount ay itong 200,000. Syempre, patutubuin natin yan na 6% na interest. Okay? So, huwag kalimutan ang formula to compute for the interest. So, interest is computed by multiplying principal by rate by time or term. Okay? So, in this case, 200 si principal natin, ang rate natin ay 6% or 0.06 pag kinonvert natin to decimal. Then, ang time natin is 1 year, yung sabi. So, meaning to say, over 12 yan. Over 12 months, diba? So, class, ang transaction date ay January 1. Ngayon, ang hihingi ng adjusting entry pagsapit ng June 30. Even though marireceive mo yan ay January 1, 2017 pa kasi sinabi ng problem na yung interest and principal ay marireceive after on maturity date, which is yung 1 year after January 1, 2016, that is January 1, 2017, may kailangan ka nang i-recognize na income in the form of interest receivable and interest income. Okay? Kasi, nanganak na po yung principal mo na 200,000. From January 1 to June 30, ilang buwan nang nakalipas, nanganak na yung principal mo ng interest. Tumubo ka na doon. So, that's why, noong June 30, or kung kailan ka man hinga ng adjustments ng problem, kailangan mo na mag-recognize ng income. So, from January 1 to June 30, bilang ka, since January 1 yan, so buong month ng January kasama pa sa bilang. Kapag January 15 yan, edi i-half mo yung buwan, mag-prorate ka. So, kung January 1, 2016 to June 30 yan, so January, February, March, April, May, June. Meaning to say, 6 months na yung nag-expire over 12 months. So, ito ang fraction na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, 6 over 12 times 200, or 200,000, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng income na kailangan i-record in the amount of 6,000. So, how to record accruals or accrued income? So, debit interest receivable muna kasi receivable pa yan, di mo pa marireceive yan. Kailan mo marireceive yan? Next year pa, ma'am. January 1, 2017. Pero kahit hindi mo pa yan marireceive, kailangan mo nang i-recognize as interest income. Okay, so debit interest receivable, credit interest income in the amount of 6,000. Yan yung adjusting entry natin. Again, class, hindi ko na pinapakita sa inyo kasi wala naman tayong pine-prepare na journal entries nung mismong transaction date. Okay? So, yan. Kumbaga siguro nagpautang ka dyan, so nag-debit ka lang ng note receivable and credit cash kung nagpautang ka ng cash. Yun yung journal entry niya. Pero since pag mga accruals kasi, diretso adjusting entries tayo. Again, yung purpose ko lang kung bakit under ng prepayments and deferrals ay pinakita ko sa inyo yung original entry nila is for you to recall or to understand bakit ganun yung adjusting entry na piniprepare natin. So, kinukuha lang natin yun sa original entry. So, wag lang kayo laging nagme-memorize ng entry ha. Kailangan iniintindi nyo, ina-analyze nyo bakit ganun yung nagiging adjustments or adjusting entry. So, kasi pag nag-memorize lang kayo, mamaya baliktad pa ang ma-memorize nyo. So, dapat i-analyze nyo. So, i-cut ko ulit yung discussion ko. Hanggang dito muna tayo sa accruals or accrued income. So, recap tayo. Tapos na tayo ng prepayments. Tapos na tayo ng deferrals. And we are also done with the accruals. Yung accrued income and yung accrued expense and accrued income. So, 4 na topics na under adjusting journal entries ang nadidiscuss ni ma'am. Yung unang video lecture ko, mga 25 minutes. Then ito, mga 18 to 20 minutes siguro to. So, ikakat ko muna hanggang dito yung discussion. Then, yung third audio lecture ko regarding adjusting entry, mag-start naman ako ay sa bad debts or doubtful accounts. Isasama ko hanggang depreciation expense. Okay, class? Then, prepare for any upcoming activities na i-upload ko sa LMS. So, mag-prepare pa rin kayo ng adjusting entries. Then, after ng entries natin, tsaka tayo mag-worksheet. Kasi take note, ang nape-prepare nyo sa worksheet nyo ay magsisimula tayo dun ay sa unadjusted trial balance. Okay? So, bye-bye!